with training wheels? Why are you guys bowling with training wheels?
We have no good. I was up when I got here.
Afraid of taking risks. I understand. You guys are playing with training wheels.
Oh yeah, but she got a strike. So
Doesn't count. If there are bumpers, it don't count.
what are bumpers?
Those things.
I suck at bowling.
Is everybody here scared of real bowling?
How you doing, sweet cheeks?
Oh, you guys are okay. You guys are really bowling. All right. Anybody in this lane? All right. So you guys are really bowling. All right. He's not. What's with the training wheels? Why you got training wheels?
Katie and Michaela wanted them. I didn't really even want them.
You guys need training wheels? You guys need training wheels?
Yes. Yes, we do.
Give me a break.
It's so bad.
Someone's getting a 1 on the bowling standard.
Dad, threw that and I got gutter ball.
Yeah.
I still got a gutter ball, even with the
Even
things.
with the bumpers up, we got a gutter ball.
He's something else.
It's bad.
Pathetic. That's what I was saying. I just told them all. No training wheels. Get the bumpers down.
We don't have that. We didn't want them anyway.
Doesn't count.
No, they came up.
Sure, doesn't count. Doesn't count. Bummer. There we go. Mr. M's taking care of it.
I am accomplished.
Get them all down. Yeah. Kill them. Kill the bumpers. Get them down. Now we're bowling.
That's it, shut the camera off.
Folks, time for a quick song. Happy birthday to you.
Iron Man, baby.
All right, I'm gonna get a cupcake.
We all like the paper. Jesus. It's my favorite movie.
Thank you, Keelan. Really nice. Thank you, guys.
Looks like you have an eating problem.
No, this wasn't me. This is just
Aim for the hole in the middle.
I was there.
Lavender.
Panda.
Where'd the bumpers go?
They went away. Now you get to play. Come on. This is called manning up. What? Oh, what do you do? Jump up and down? That wasn't a strike. You're dangerous. I'm going to film you bowling. Good form, lousy results. But you had the whole sweeping arm and kicking leg thing going. That was good. That was nice.
My friend used to compete in the Special Olympics here.
Oh, all right. Now you got to average those. Oh, it bounced back in. That was good. All right, where's Mr. M?
Are you good? Looking over the points of everybody else.
So, Mr. M, look at the scoreboard, will you?
I'm about to get another one right now.
Let's see how that goes. All right. You better hope it answers. Extra large with cream, no sugar. Hot. Oh no! That didn't work very well. All right, you gotta pick this up. You better split those uprights. Oh no! Oh, he missed it. He called the shot, and the shot didn't answer. Robert Dunn, Bowman. Very nice. So you need 8 to tie. Oh, looking good. Oh, you tied.
Look good.
I think not. Nice touch. Nice touch. I hit you.
Which game are we counting? We're counting, I think we warm up.
What?
Losers? Are you lunatics? Go put that somewhere. Give me.
Really? Ayanisha's gonna end up sliding down it. Yeah?
Another one.
Without bumpers?
No bumpers. Play like you ball.
Oh, you do? You bowl in the league?
Yeah.
Nice, okay, so that explains that.
Yeah, I got some practice.
Uh-huh. So how's goes the competition down here?
I'm in the lead.
Oh, wait a minute, wait, there's something wrong here. Hold on. I fixed it for you. You can thank me later.
Have fun, Connor.
Now you bowl. Time to take off the training wheels and ride the big bike.
I'm stealing their ball.
See? See, that wasn't bad. What's life without risk? So how's it going down here? Let's see. Wow. Someone does. James, you know it's not golf, right? You want a high score.
Yeah.
Okay. What'd you do? Oh, nice.
I'd say it's between me, Paul, and
So here is $10 worth of grease.
Yeah, that's terrible. No,
It looks terrible. Oh, you mean the price?
It tastes quite good.
Oh, yeah, and so healthy. You know,
Yeah.
I haven't really seen many squirrels in this area in a while.
Very healthy.
Wow. Is that heading in or coming out?
You didn't let me have one, and now you got the best.
That's really freaking nasty.
Very nutritious.
Wow.
Once you eat one,
Go ahead, get your intestines all lubed up. That'll give you something to do for the next 12
And our
hours.
arteries.
Bull, don't pray.
Oh
43, 37, 24. Hike, hike, hike. Delay a game. No, only one at a time. Okay, that was dysfunctional. Okay, okay. The goal is not to avoid the pins.
Thank you.
You get points to hit them.
See my score. Thank you for that. What lovely hit. I'm It's like, I saw a picture that it's like what you can do and you got to strike and it's like,
Important tip, folks. Good form. Follow through. And you got a couple of pins. Wow. Two spares?
a spare and strike.
Looks like a spare and a spare.
Well, I got
Oh, then you whiffed and then got a
Yeah.
strike. Ah.
good enough for me.
Ah. Wow. That's wow. That's bad.
That is beautiful. Because it's Irish.
6 inches. How's it going?
I'm gonna beat it.
Then this isn't working out well for you, huh? How's that whole no bumpers thing going for you?
I have 31 points. That's like a new
No retakes. No retakes. That was an interesting technique.
I failed my king and country.
Wow. That looks good. Looks good. Oh!
I'm the best.
You're playing a different game than we are, aren't
I'm
you?
doing the best.
You're doing bowling golf.
I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm always winning.
Mr. M's got the turkey. He's going for his 4th strike in a row. It's a tense moment. The hush falls over the crowd. And... Whoa! 4. All right.
What just happened?
You gotta catch him. You gotta catch him.
I want to thank the little people and the walkaway. The walkaway. It's all the walkaway.
Here he goes, going for 5. The hush falls over the crowd. The tension is palpable. Oh, he came so close, so far. So sorry. Check it out, Mr. Dunn's bowling his age.
Both of us are.
I need a strike. I need someone.
They believed it for a second.
Oh man, I gotta just think.
Still really good.
Alright, let's see it. Except there aren't 10 pins, so the next one can't be a strike. We're getting the terminology down. That's the first step. That's good.
All of my grades are.
That wasn't good. So that would be you being wrong. Fashionistas. Alright, so let's see. I see.
I missed the third one though.
That's a nice pattern. I like the two X's. But then what are the little lines on either side of them? Oh. Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah, those little lines. Right? Like that one you just did.
Missed you would be proud.
Nice job with the two strikes, though. I'd ask you guys what's up, but the answer is fairly obvious. We got a strike? Oh, you're schizophrenic. I understand. All right, let's see you go. Wow, that was impressive. Wow. So clearly all those strikes, you cheated.
I'll get this.
You want the bumpers back up?
No,
You sure?
I'm sure.
Oh, he picks up the spare. Nice.
Yes! I just got a strike with no bumpers.
See, you gotta take risks. You're getting there. Now you're getting somewhere. See? We are moving on.